Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll explore some of IBKR's resources and tools, including the IBKR Trader Workstation, that can assist you in making more informed investment decisions. Among the financial instruments offered on the IBKR Trader Workstation, there's a vast list of municipal bonds for over-the-counter trading, from which you can also perform yield comparisons, as well as collect a myriad of information via links to Lumisis's Diver Advisor Municipal Bond Reports. There you'll find a wealth of details for your fundamental analysis, including continuing disclosures, credit ratings, price and yield information, transaction and underwriters and advisors, diver geoscores, and sector-based economic data. We'll also take a closer look at how you can use the IBKR Trader Workstation to find and select a municipal bond, generate a chart that shows how the yield on the bond has been performing, conduct a comparison of the tax-free municipal bond yield to a bond that is federally taxable, such as a corporate bond, as well as generate details about the bond using Lumisis's Diver Advisor reports. Conducting due diligence can only help better inform your investment decisions, and since IBKR offers tons of helpful tools and resources, this lesson has been split into 3 separate parts. There's a lot to do, so let's get started. There are several ways to search for a municipal bond in the IBKR Trader Workstation. For the purposes of this course, we'll keep the tool as simple as possible and use the bond scanner to perform our work. In the mosaic view, you can launch the scanner from the New Window menu at the top left of the screen, then select Scanners and Bond Scanner from the submenus. When it pops up, you can maximize the view if needed. In the Bond Scanner, under Instrument on the top left, select U.S. Municipal Bonds. You'll also see a host of filters to help you narrow your search, including by maturity, rating, whether the bond is a GO, a revenue bond, whether it is subject to the alternative minimum tax or AMT, along with several other fields. Let's apply some of these filters. For example, let's include GOs in our search, and in the issuer box, type Main. Then in the Moody's rating box, let's select an investment grade A1 credit rating as the minimum credit quality we want our bond to have. Then let's perform our search. In the results that follow, you can see we have a limited selection of State of Maine GO options from which to choose. Let's select a specific bond. For example, a 5% State of Maine GO that expires June 1st, 2021. This one displays the ask price or market price, but can you recall how to find the accrued interest? If you need a review, visit our previous lesson on secondary market purchases. Now that we've chosen a security on our bond scanner, we can create a chart that shows how its yield has performed over time. Details about this bond show that the issuance date, or dated date, was on June 22nd, 2016. The bond was initially sold as a 5% 5-year deal, and as we're presenting this lesson in November 2019, the bond's been active in the secondary market for roughly 3 years. To see how this bond is performed in the IBKR Trader Workstation, right-click on your bond entry, then select Analysis from the submenu, then Real-Time Charts from the next pop-up box. You'll then see a chart displaying the yield of the bond over time. Let's look at the yield over a 1-year time horizon. From this chart, we can see how the bond was trading as of October 1st, 2019. In part 2 of this due diligence lesson, we'll explore yield comparisons.